And the race is on. Reality show Sugar Daddy Purely Kali. Ever charming, rushing up is fearless. Entry number 6, Harrod's Magic. It's now Ever Charming, followed by Sugar Daddy. Fearless, running by the RAL 4th Reality Show Pilio, is racing in fifth by the RAL 6 Harrod's Magic Tiago. Alongside Purely Kali, then Red Hot Water Typhoon Doring has it coming. Inside the last 800, Fearless, Ever Charming, Sugar Daddy together with Pilio Reality Show. And rounding the far turn, Sugar Daddy by half a length, followed by Pilio Reality Show. Racing in third and fourth, Fearless. Alongside is moving up is Tiago, Ever Charming, Harrod's Magic, Purely Kali, Typhoon Doring, Red Hot Water, and has it coming. Pilio is running by the route, Sugar Daddy in the middle. Reality Show on the outside, Fearless. Pilio by about 2 lengths now, Sugar Daddy, Reality Show. Pilio by about half length, followed by Sugar Daddy. Pilio with Rap Sordan Alcantara by about 2. And finally, Pilio, Sugar Daddy, Reality Show, Tiago, Fearless, Red Hot Water for your Super 6.